Welcome to Thought Connect. Are you tired of always being broke? Do you feel exhausted by the weight of financial stress? The burden of bad money habits can extend far beyond your bank account. It can lead to stress, strain relationships, and even contribute to feelings of depression. If you find yourself in this situation, it might be time for a change. In today's video, we'll explore 25 common financial bad habits that not only keep you trapped in a cycle of financial instability, but can also affect your mental and emotional well-being. So let's dive in and discover what changes you can make today to secure a better financial future and a happier life. Number 1, living beyond your means. Spending more money than you make is a surefire way to stay poor. If your expenses consistently outpace your income, you'll find yourself drowning in debt and unable to save for the things that really matter. Number 2, not budgeting. Failing to create a budget is like sailing without a map. Without a clear plan for your money, it's easy to overspend and lose track of your financial goals. Number 3, neglecting savings. Savings act as a financial safety net. Not having one means you'll be vulnerable to unexpected expenses, making it even harder to escape the cycle of poverty. Number 4, high-interest debt. Carrying high-interest credit card balances can cripple your finances. The interest adds up quickly, making it nearly impossible to get ahead. Number 5, ignoring retirement. Your retirement might seem far off, but ignoring it now means you'll have to work longer or retire with less money. Start saving early to secure your future. Number 6, frequent dining out. Eating out often might be convenient, but it's a drain on your wallet. Cooking at home can save you a significant amount of money over time. Number 7, retail therapy. Emotional spending can lead to impulse purchases and buyer's remorse. If possible, find healthier ways to cope with stress. Number 8, no emergency fund. Life is full of surprises, and without an emergency fund, you'll be forced to rely on credit cards or loans to cover unexpected expenses. Number 9, impulse purchases. Before buying something, ask yourself a question: is this something I need or a want? Impulse purchases often fall into the latter category and can derail your financial progress. Number 10, not tracking expenses. Not knowing where your money goes each month is a recipe for financial disaster. Track your spending to identify areas where you can cut back. Number 11, lack of financial goals. Without clear financial objectives, you're wandering aimlessly. Set goals to give your money a purpose. Number 12, not investing. Keeping all your money in a low-interest savings account means missing out on the potential for growth through investments. Number 13, not negotiating. Don't be afraid to haggle or seek better deals. Paying full price when you don't have to is a waste of money. Number 14, overusing credit cards. Relying on credit cards for everyday expenses can lead to a never-ending cycle of debt. Pay off balances in full each month to avoid costly interest charges. Number 15, ignoring insurance needs. Being underinsured can leave you financially vulnerable in the face of unexpected events. If possible, evaluate your insurance coverage regularly. Number 16, loan co-signing. Co-signing loans for others can put your financial well-being at risk if they default. Think twice before agreeing to a co-sign. Number 17, gambling. Gambling and playing the lottery rarely pay off. They're more likely to drain your finances than improve them. Number 18, no financial education. Ignorance about personal finance can lead to costly mistakes. Educate yourself about money management and investing. Number 19, keeping up with others. Trying to match the spending habits of others can lead to overspending. Focus on yourself and your own financial priorities. Number 20, ignoring tax planning. Failing to take advantage of tax deductions and credits mean you're paying more in taxes than necessary. Number 21, frequent ATM withdrawals. Using out-of-network ATMs can result in unnecessary fees. Stick to your bank's ATM to avoid these charges. Number 22, late bill payments. Missing due dates on your bills can lead to late fees and damage your credit score. Set up reminders to stay on top of these payments. Number 23, hoarding debt. Carrying low-interest debt might seem manageable, but paying it off frees up money for more important things. Number 24, not reviewing statements. Failing to review your bank and credit card statements can result in unnoticed errors or fraudulent charges that cost you money. Number 25, underinsuring or overinsuring. Review your insurance coverage regularly to ensure it aligns with your actual needs. Paying for coverage you don't need wastes money. Breaking free from these financial bad habits takes determination and discipline, but it's the key to improving your financial situation and maybe even your life. By addressing these issues head-on and adopting healthier money management practices, you can start on the path to financial stability and building wealth. So, are you ready to leave poor financial habits behind and secure a brighter financial future? Let's do this. Hey, thanks for hanging out with me today on Thought Connect. If you enjoyed this video, make sure and give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you get updates every time we put out a new video. All right, well, take care of yourselves, and we'll catch you next time on Thought Connect.